Hello. This is Go Animate Network. Well, before we do this one's really important to all of you guys and Go Animate fans. We are going to switch cable connectors from analog to digital television. We are now using digital television rather than analog television. The Go Animate Network will not work on analog television anymore, so if you wanted something with your old analog television, you could connect your brand new digital player into your old television that replaces your analog to digital player. So Brian, are you ready to switch analog to digital television?
Yes, I am, Eric.
Are you ready yet? 3, 2, 1, 0, switch.